Hi everyone of the Swasthya 365 days project. Let's look about the diagnosis of tuberculosis. The presence of an unexplained cough for more than 2 to 3 weeks in a region where tuberculosis is prevalent or with typical chest x-ray changes or CT changes should prompt for further investigations. Even today, this direct smear microscopy of the sputum sample is the most important first step that is being followed. Two sputum samples are required, one that is collected early in the morning from a spontaneous deep cough and the other that can be collected anytime. An induced sputum sample can be collected from patients who are unable to expectorate. In some patients, even gastric lavage aspiration can be done. The traditional Zeen-Nelson technique that is used for diagnosis of the mycobacterium in the sputum sample under smear microscopy is now replaced with light-emitting diode fluorescent microscopy with auramine staining. A positive smear is enough for diagnosis of mycobacterium tuberculosis, but the culture is an confirmatory test. When the person is identified to have a positive smear with mycobacterium tuberculosis, they are considered to be new patients who are affected because of tuberculosis and they undergo treatment. The culture medium takes around 4 to 6 weeks in a solid culture medium, and in an automated or a semi-automated liquid culture medium it takes 2 weeks. Therefore, GeneXpert techniques are followed which give results within 2 hours. Now, the extrapulmonary tuberculosis is the most challenging condition. Finding a case of extrapulmonary tuberculosis is very difficult, and it's even more challenging to find cases where the meningeal or the pleural part is affected because the organisms are very difficult to be identified under smear microscopy. Hence, other techniques like GeneXpert are used in these. The baseline diagnosis like full blood count, erythrocyte sedimentation rate, all the other basic tests like liver function test, urea creatinine are all done. Thank you. The next video, let's look about the treatment part.